How to save videos from Twitter or X to phone. Let's get started. Launch your X or Twitter app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now head over to the video that you want to download. So this is the video. Now at the bottom right of the video, you're going to find this arrow icon. Clicking on that, you're going to get different option. You'll also find the option of download. Click on that. To download the video, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. In order to continue, click on upgrade. So here are some subscription plans: premium, premium plus and basic. Select the one that you want to upgrade to. Click on start and complete the payment process. Once you upgrade it, you'll be able to download the video. But in case you want to download the video without subscription, what you need to do is click on this arrow option, then click on the option copy link, navigate to any of the browser, and head over to any of the website through which you can easily download the videos of X. Paste the link, and that way you'll be able to download the video. So this is how you can save videos from Twitter or X to phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.